Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you will be fine and doing well. I'm your science teachers with today summary lecture of level 4. Today we are starting our new lectures unit number 6, solid, liquid and gases on page number 60. Look around in your environment or look around in your surrounding. You will see the different things. We will see the solid substance, the liquid substance and the gaseous substance. The substance which are hard and rigid are called the solid substance. The substance which can flow easily is called the liquid substance, and the substance which we can only smell and can float in the air, that is called the gases. So all the substance in our surrounding is made up of matter. So what is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. What is matter? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. वो चीज़ें जिनका weight हो और जगह घेरे उनको क्या कहते हैं? Matter. For example, this page is a matter because it can occupy some space and it has a weight, so it is a matter. Pencil, look at this pencil. This is the matter because the pencil has a weight and it can occupy the space. So anything that has mass and occupies space is called the matter. Air, for example, air is also a matter because it can occupy an space and has a mass. How will you prove that air is a matter? When we fill the air in the balloon, it can occupy the shape of the balloon and fill the balloon, and the size of the balloon can increase. It means that this air is a matter. It can occupy space and have a mass. All the matter in the world is made up of tiny particles, and these particles are called the atom. All the matter in the universe, in the world, is made up of tiny particles, invisible particles called the atom. And these invisible particles can always moving about. In some substance, in some things, the particles move about a lot. In other things, the particles can only vibrate on their space. So on the basis of the arrangement of these smallest invisible particles, the atom can be divided into 3 states. The matter is divided into 3 states. On the basis of the arrangement of these invisible particles, matter is divided into 3 states. There are 3 states of matter. Number 1, solid. Number 2, liquid. Number 3, gases. Solid. The hard and toughest substance is called the solid. For example, the pencil is the solid, the chair, table is a solid substance, bricks, these all are the solid substance. How the invisible particles are arranged in a solid substance? In a solid particles, the smallest substance, the invisible substance, are arranged in a regular patterns. Means they are arranged in a sequence. They are tightly packed. Tightly packed means they are packed closely together. It means there is very little space between them. This is the arrangement of the invisible particles in solid substance. The particles are arranged in a regular pattern and are tightly packed together with each other and have a little space between them. So therefore, the tightly packing of these particles, the solid cannot be compressed easily. For examples, this is the pencil. This is a solid particle. We cannot compress. Compress means squeeze करना. So we cannot compress the solid particles easily. There is a great force of attraction between these particles. There is a great force of attraction in these smallest particles. When we can heat the solid particles, these smallest particles, when we heat a solid substance, the smallest particles in the solid, atoms, molecules in the solid, can vibrate only on about their fixed position. Means this is the particle of a solid substance. When we heated the solid substance, these smallest particles can only vibrate on their position but cannot change the position. They vibrate about their fixed position and have less energy than liquid and gaseous particles. Why? Because the particles are very tightly packed to each other and they cannot move freely. So the solid substance, the solid particles have less energy than liquid and gaseous particle. When heat is provided to the solid substance, these smallest particles can vibrate about their fixed position and cannot change the position of their own position. So the tightly packing of these particles, the particles are tightly packed with each other, have a great force of attraction. The particles cannot move freely, so the solid particles have a definite shape. Definite shape means that the solid particles can never change its shape. Whenever we place these substance, it cannot change their position. They cannot change their shape. So the solid particles have a definite shape. It cannot change their shape. For example, the shape of the pencil can never be changed. Whether you kept it in your pencil box or on your desk, the shape of the pencil will remain the same. Solid have a definite volume, so means it cannot change its volume whenever you keep it. It occupies the same amount of space no matter when you kept it. For example, this pencil can never change its volume. Whenever you will keep it in on the desk or on the page or in the pencil box, the volume and the shape of the pencil will remain the same. So, this is your today lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.